Using a 20-ounce sausage caulking gun, apply Liquid Armor FJ sealant in a zigzag pattern across the entire horizontal and vertical joint lines. Field seams receive 1 inch of continuous bead on each panel surface face to create a minimum 2-inch wide seam joint. Using a putty knife, strike the sealant, ensuring joint remains continuous and entirely free from voids or pinholes. Liquid Armor FJ sealant must be tooled in such a way that 35 wet mils, plus or minus 5 mils of sealant, are covering the seam. Wide and flat is not the goal. Striking the sealant with the tool at an angle towards the seam would assist in a proper application. Once tooled, it is recommended to verify the sealant's wet mill with a mill gauge.